Hello. Hi, am I audible? I think your mic is muted. Can you unmute your mic, please? Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, yes. Good
Okay,
morning.
this is Gaston from Healthcare Engineering. How are you doing today?
Fine, sir. I just came to work and I joined. That's why I gave the time at 9.
Okay, no problem. So, is it a good time to talk to you?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Can you explain a little bit about yourself, please? So, initially, what's your name? What are you doing it right now?
I'm Safri Naseem.
Okay,
And,
Nazim. Okay, Nazim. Yeah, okay.
I am from Kurunegala,
Kurunagala. Okay.
but I am around 2 years. I'm staying in Colombo, Dahiwala.
Mm-hmm.
I
Okay.
got
Okay.
here and I have done my HND in biomedical engineering and
Mm-hmm. Good.
following my following currently following the top up.
The
Then the first
bachelor's
semester is
one, the
already
bachelor degree, the top
yeah
up one. What's your institute?
yeah ESOF.
ESOFT. Okay. I think ESOFT, you must be the second or third batch, right? Or
No,
the
we are
first
the
batch?
first batch. We are the first batch.
Okay. Okay, Nazim. Oh, in that case, what's your expectations from us? So basically, in order to give you an introduction about ourselves, we are a healthcare consultation company where we provide a bunch of things such as student supports in multiple ways and professional supports in several ways. So
Mm.
what's your expectations? How did you get to know us and what do you expect from us? What are the
Yeah,
expectations? Your expectations.
I got to know about you all through the social media only.
Okay, good. Okay.
And I'm currently following my top up. So I have finished the first semester tomorrow in sixth January 6th, the last exam for the first semester, and remaining
Okay.
will be totally
Mm-hmm.
finished by July.
Mm-hmm.
July they will totally finish this HND, that academic part and all.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
And
So
currently,
right now,
currently
are
after
you a full-time student? That means you are I
no
don't
part
think that
time.
since you yeah. So most of the time you are free and are you working with some other
Part
companies
time top up
or
we have part time because
so are you working somewhere?
yeah after
Sorry, again, some problems with your mic. I didn't get your voice properly.
right after the HND they gave the opportunity to join the intern in Melsta Hospital Ragam. Currently I
Ah,
am
okay.
today also I'm in the workspace in Melsta. Do you know the Melsta Hospital?
Yes, yeah.
It's in Ragam. Uh,
Mm-hmm. So you are working as an assistant biomedical engineer or biomedical technician. So what's your post or an intern biomedical?
Already 5 months completed.
As a biomedical assistant? So what's your post, Nazim? As a biomedical assistant or biomedical
Sorry,
intern?
my coverage went off and I didn't got it.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. So what's your post over there? At Melstar
Biomedical
Hospital, you are
biomedical technician. Basically,
technician.
there is a engineer and permanent technician staff, and we two
Mm-hmm.
students came from ESOFT, and we work under them as
Okay. I think
technicians.
earlier we have done some projects with Melstar. What's the name of the engineer?
Mr. Sharon.
Oh, okay. We know him. Yeah. Okay. Okay, Nasim, so what do you expect from us? So, what are support from us? Are you there, Nazim?
Yeah, sir. Really sorry, sir, because I have joined through my mobile phone to Goals game. That's why
Okay, no
data interrupted.
problems. Okay, so how can we help you, Nazim? What do you expect
In
from us?
Mailstar, they don't make us permanent because they have the limitations. No, only
Mm-hmm.
one engineer and assistant technician is there. Then now only have they made him permanent because he was already an intern. This is the first time they have
Okay.
made a permanent staff after an engineer working under engineer.
Uh-huh. Okay.
We were already 5 months completed from this end of December, like January 5th. Is the fifth month of my intern time period, and another 1 month remaining to go.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
They advise us to search any places or be, in between the intern period, or they that's not an issue for them for leaving the company here.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Uh, Here, basically, we work as technicians. Basically, we do troubleshootings, service part, and calibrations and all. The
Mm-hmm.
somewhat they teach us the procurement work and all, how the procurement
Mm-hmm.
that part and all. The thing is, I'm currently searching for a job or an intern as here. Then I can make it as a permanent work. No,
Mm-hmm. Okay.
that's why I have my requirement is that I need a
Okay. Okay.
work.
I got it.
I
So
need
that
a
means you are looking for a job, right?
job. Yes.
Okay. So in that case, can you explain about your experiences because you mentioned that you already have 5 months of experience from Melstar, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Uh, I have on the camera. Okay.
Yeah, no problem. That's really good. So can you let me know about your experiences? What did you learn about the medical equipments and their troubleshootings, procurement parts?
Yeah.
What did you do?
Basically, we work in every sector of the hospital.
Mm-hmm.
ETU, ICU, and OT, NICU. Every parts we go and visit. We service them. From the initial time I came here, there was an issue with the electronic bed. That was
Mm-hmm.
a power supply issue. Then we totally removed the power supply unit, and we got to know that there inside the supply unit, in the transformer coil has gone. Coils that there's a small transistors.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, that one has gone. Then we got the maintenance support, and we got to do that. And that bed is totally fine. It's working, completely working. Most of the
Mm-hmm.
high-end equipments are made from the suppliers, not from us.
Yeah.
We just
So
go.
at this point, I would like to clarify a certain thing because you are working as a trainee. So most of the time, you may get some support from your engineer, right?
Yeah,
Okay. And apart from your support from your engineer, many of your equipments must be warranty covered.
yeah.
So those such equipments will be must be supported through the supplied companies, right? So you can't do anything on the particular machines. So for example, let's take about your case, the electronic bed, the patient bed, right? So how was it handled? Did you get the support from the engineer or were the warranty people came to your place and they did the troubleshoots and all?
No warranty period because already the beds are around 15, 20 years old.
Sorry again, there's a problem with your mic. I'm sorry.
No warranty period. Still, I off the camera so then I can clearly
No
talk.
problem, no problem. Yeah, okay.
The beds are totally under. It's not under MC because it's old ones. Around
Okay.
15 years, 16 years, like. So the
Mm-hmm. Okay.
the hospital management has changed. Initially it was Browns, then they don't have the warranty and all. Then the engineer supported us. He told to check the power supply. The battery is totally not
Mm-hmm.
working. Then we went through the power supply unit, and he told to plug the this power supply cable, tighten the cable.
Mm-hmm.
We tightened it and see that they're not working, and we totally removed that
Mm-hmm.
unit and came to our workspace, and we fix it with the help
Mm-hmm.
of the maintenance. There was a coil to remove the coil, coiling part and all. That maintenance once gave the support for us.
Okay, so in your hospital, do you have, for example, a different biomedical engineering division, such as a biomedical engineer and some technicians below him? And how about the electronic supports? Is it provided by some other electronic people, or you take care of all by yourself?
Some part we do, and there's
Mm-hmm.
maintenance team also there working under there's a actually here it goes like chief engineer. Under chief engineer only the biomedical engineer works.
Okay,
Under chief engineer there is a maintenance team also.
okay, okay.
We sometimes get the support from them too, because they have hand-on experience and all.
Mm-hmm.
Basically, in other thing, in
Mm-hmm.
syringe pumps, when it comes to syringe pumps and in ECG machines, they don't have that warranty and all here.
Mm-hmm.
What I am going to explore to tell you is like what I have done up to now from the technical side. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
Me and my other guy from eSoft, we both are interns, basically that
Mm-hmm.
when it comes to that ECG machines and all, no, ECG machines, there we get the noise issues. Then we have we test called uh, ECG. Hello,
Yeah. I'm listening to you.
we have the ECG, that electrode tester. Then we fix it and find the issue. They are basic.
Mm-hmm.
Already almost it will be a basic issue. Maybe a settings issue, or else an electrode issue. That's the main case comes to ECG, or a battery issue.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
As well as the syringe pumps also the same. Infusion pump, syringe
Mm-hmm.
pump also the same. Recently we replaced the door of the ECG syringe infusion pump, and the hinge.
Mm-hmm.
One of the infusion pump has hinge broken infusion pump. We ordered the part, and we made it. That's the B Brown one, German made. Um,
Okay.
Again, the door replacement. Sometimes the machines causes like battery issues. Even
Mm-hmm.
though the power supply is given to the syringe pump, if the battery is uh, internal, or that supply is not, if interrupted, it will not work. Like similar minute issues comes arise in these equipments.
Mm-hmm.
Basically, we do those parts.
Okay. So you have a special labs which is set up for handling these machines and troubleshootings and all, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So can you little explain me a little bit about the ETU? What are the equipments you have in ETU, and how do you do the troubleshootings?
ETU In ETU they have uh, syringe pumps,
Mm-hmm.
ECG machines, ventilators, they're portable ventilator ones. Then we
Mm-hmm.
have ophthalmoscope, mm, horoscopes.
Mm-hmm.
Those are things mainly we have there.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Any ideas about troubleshooting such equipments?
Yeah, I mentioned that in ED only they call frequently for the ECG part, because the most of the patients they come and then they basically do the ECG first. Then the
Mm-hmm.
noise in the ECG and all only they fix it.
Okay, okay, okay. So my
Basically,
last
it's
question
not.
is, how about your salary expectations in your hospital? What's the salary scale for your technical team? What's the salary for your engineers?
Actually, I don't know about the salary given for the engineer, but
Mm-hmm.
for the technician, they might offer like around 70 to 60 because he's a fresher. He has joined, he has done his intern here, and he has appointed as uh, a permanent staff under contract basis.
Uh-huh.
So that he got that much of stuff. I don't know about the PhD
How about
engineers.
your expectations?
My expectation would be it's according to the company, no.
Mm-hmm.
Like wherever we go, we will find a new equipment, and we have to learn about that. About 1 or 2 months, we'll get to catch the total equipment of our hand-on experience. Uh, that's the thing.
Okay, so in future, would you like to work in a hospital setups because you have the experience from the hospital setups? And in future, would you like to work in the same environment or would you like to work company environment? Because company environment is totally different from the hospital setup. Most of the hospitals you have to do the same thing. Once you come think about the company setups, that will be a new environment to you, right? Apart from the technical skills, you have to learn a lot of new skills such as communication skills, leaderships, and some other financial skills as well. So, what do you like? Would you like to stay in the
Uh,
company or would you like to work for a hospital in future? I'm just asking about the future.
and the main priority is given for the company.
Hmm.
Then if will be it will be a company means it like okay for me.
Okay. Okay, Nazim. Thank you for your time. I think we can keep in touch with you, and for our future references, we will let you know. Right?
Okay,
We
sure.
can contact you through WhatsApp. Okay.
Then you will
Thank you
guide.
for your time.
Then your procedure is going on to be like guiding us, like searching for the companies and all. No.
Yeah, we are providing a lot of supports for students, such as training them in order to get suitable jobs because we are not a usual company. To be honest with you, I have to tell about ourselves. We are just teaching them and training them in the modern setup, such as teaching them about the advanced concepts such as IoT, AI stuffs, because those are the things which are getting included in the healthcare setups, right? So in future, maybe after 5 years or maybe in near future, most of the companies will reduce their workers and they will do their automations part, such as including AI, IoT stuffs in their equipments, right? So we are just focusing the students in order to teach them such skills. So that's why we are conducting many internship programs, teaching them those skills and all, right? And also, we are giving the priority to the students who are already in our networks to whenever we find a job placements, we will let them know in order to apply with the new skills, whatever they have learned from us, right? So
Yeah.
those are some of our student supports. Since you have already talked to us, you will be also in the list. Definitely, we will keep in touch with you. And in future, if you like to take part in our internship programs to learn about such new skills, you can take. You are mostly welcomed, and we will keep in touch with you always.
Okay. Okay. Thank you for your support.
Right? Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Nazim. Have a good day. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.